people here in YouTube. My name is Dr. Augusto, physical therapist and athletic trainer. So today we're going to work on just helping improve low back pain. And this is just generalized low back pain. So no pain down the legs, okay? So this is more for mild to moderate severity. So if you're able to stand up and get out of bed by yourself and walk by yourself with minimal assistance, or do just daily activities, going grocery shopping, getting in and out of the car, simple tasks like that, then this is for you. But if you have difficulty just doing simple activities like that, then I'll make another video for you guys. So this is for generalized low back pain. If you have pain down the legs, then that'll be for another video. Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick sequence of my top 10 exercises I recommend. Alright, and all you need is really is a yoga mat or on your bed and in the chair too, if possible. Alright, let's get started. So first exercise, post pelvic tilts. So you lay on your back. You're gonna press the lower back against the mat. You're gonna tighten up that abdomen to relax the head. Take 2 fingers, go about 2 inches to the side and squeeze the abdomen and press the lower back against the floor. We'll do this 10 times. This is 5. You do a 2-second hold. Just like that. So you want to close the space here in between your lower back and the floor and the mat. And keep this tight. You should feel muscles poking out against your fingers here. So try that 10 to 20 times at home. Alright? And then from here, we're going to progress to a simple crunch. Focus on just getting your shoulders off the ground. Alright? You keep your hands here across. Just come up here. And just down slowly. And squeeze here. You should feel that same pressure. Squeezing the muscles in that position. And down. Alright? Same repetition amount. Start off with 10. If you feel okay, work your way up to 20. And then up to 30 if you're able to. Right, so the next one is straight leg raise, flexion. So we're going to focus on keeping the legs straight. You're going to tighten up this quad muscle. Make this nice and tight. You're going to raise the leg up to the height of the opposite knee. And down slowly. Let's try 10 of these. Up and down slow. So you want to keep this tight here as well. 3. Do a 2-second count up. 2-second count down. 4. There you go. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. And do these on both sides, okay? Even if you feel low back pain on one side, the left or right side, it's important to work both legs, both sides, alright? Keep things a little bit balanced out. Okay, next one, we're going to just hug one knee up towards the chest. So with this one, you're just going to relax the leg right here, the opposite leg. You're going to hug this knee straight ahead towards the chest. We're going to hold it here for 30 seconds. Start off with 1 time, and if it feels better and feels good, work our way up to 2 or 3 times. You just hold it here. You should feel a nice release. Focus on relaxing, taking deep breaths in and out. Alright, then you'll repeat the same thing on the opposite side as well. Alright, so now for our next one, we have a performance stretch. So same side, you're going to just bring it towards your chest, but you're going to go across the body like so. So you should feel a nice pull on the gluteal area, on the glutes. Alright, same thing, focus on deep breaths in and out. And way to modify this, if this is too much, or just grab underneath the knee as well. Just hug this way diagonally. And if it's too painful to hug the leg in, go just use a cloth or a towel, put it here and just pull towards the opposite shoulder as well. Same thing, start with 30 seconds, work your way up to doing it 2 times for 30 seconds or even 3 times for 30 seconds. Alright, so now we're going to lay on our side. So we're gonna work the lower back and gluteal area more. So you're gonna bring the leg up and down. Keep this knee straight. Up and down. So you wanna keep it parallel to the body. And toes pointing forward. Let's do 10 of these. This is 5, 6. Same concept, 2 second up and 2 second down. 7. This is 8, 9, 10. Okay, you always want to keep this muscle tight. You should feel burn here. That's completely normal. All right. So now we're gonna go on our hands and knees. You might have seen this stretch before, the child pose. You might just sit back onto your heels, slowly go into it, and focus on dropping the chest down towards the mat. All right, and dropping the forehead down as well. Right, glasses come off. That's all right. So you take deep breaths in and out. 30-second hold for this one too. And it's okay if you feel like a pulling, stretching sensation. That's what you want to feel. If this is too deep and too profound of a like intense stretch, then you can just come up a little bit more. You just work your way down, even if it's halfway. Start there for 30 seconds, and then the more you do this, the lower you can get down and stretch. Okay? Alright. So now, we're basically going to find a chair. Grab my glasses. So this one is have a seat. You're gonna take your hands and you just flex down here, try to reach towards the floor. You just feel that same pulling sensation in the lower back. Okay, hold this for 30 seconds here. Alright, this is kind of similar to the child pose. This one I feel more of a deeper stretch in the lower back. You can even put your hands here on your knees if that's too difficult, or get a physio ball, big ball, just roll it out that way as well. Just hold it there for 30 seconds. Start off one time, work your way up to 2 or even 3 times for 30-second holds. All right, and then from here, we're gonna do a hamstring stretch. Okay, you're gonna find a chair or table. Keep the knees straight. Flex the toes up, back straight, hips forward with the leg. Knees straight, contract this muscle and just lean forward right here so you feel a stretch in the hamstring area. Okay, 30-second hold, deep breaths in and out. All right, and the more you do this, the goal is just to work our way down to keeping the knees straight and just flexing forward, getting that stretch in that core. All right, we'll do it on the other side as well. Same count for 30 seconds. 30-second hold. So let's say that was 30 seconds. Okay, the last exercise, use the chair for support. We're just gonna go into a deep squat. Keep the feet shoulder width apart. You just come down here, try to hold it, and hold on to something sturdy. If it's a chair with wheels, I wouldn't go with wheels. They can slide on you. You do like a table counter as well, that's fine. And this way you should feel the stretch. All right, so we'll hold this for 30 seconds. So I'm holding here, these exercises are also good if you have no pain with bending forward when standing, but pain with bending back, then these will give you relief on the lower back as well. All right, so you should do these every day, once a day. You work your way up to 2 times a day if you're able to tolerate it. And I recommend first thing in the morning, just so you can feel better and looser throughout the day. All right. Good. All right. Good. And you can also use ice if you happen to hurt your lower back within 3 or 4 days. But if it's been more than 5 days, I recommend you using like a hot pack, warm compress, even the electrical ones. Those are okay to use for the lower back, just to give you some relief in the meantime as well. And ice and cold, these are just supplemental modalities for you. It's not the end all. So yeah, some people take more showers. They say that helps too. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the notification button on my YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know what else you guys would like to learn, and yeah, stay healthy and be safe. Ciao.